Hey guys, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another case review. And this time, once again, we have one of our familiar companies. We have Poetic, and we have 3 cases for our S25 Edge that just came out recently. And I wanted to share my experience with you in unboxing these, and let's see if we like them or not. But before we get into it, please like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. That's it. Now let's get into it. So you got your S25 Edge and you are trying to dress up with a nice case that is inexpensive, not as bulky, looks good. Well, Poetic is one of the best companies out there for you to get all of this into your phone and into your Serato or whatever you call it. But let's go ahead and unbox and see what we have today. So we got 3 cases I mentioned before. We got 2 Poetic Guardian cases. And if you've seen my channel and all my other Poetic videos, the Guardian is one of the best combinations of style, ruggedness, and preciseness with the cutouts and excellent protection, lip layer protection. That is what you're gonna get with the Guardian. But we have a new special contender here. We have the Poetic Neon, which is no MagSafe, but is just dual layer protection. It looks good, and we're gonna unbox that one first. Now, the Poetic Neon you can get on Amazon right now for about $16. And it has really good feedback, so you get 5 stars. So you have a dual layer protection, as I mentioned before. And it comes in this nicely wrapped box, the Poetic logo all over the place. And this is what it looks like. Now, Poetic is usually conservative, I think, sometimes when it comes to their cases, but this is a daring one. And let's talk about this one. Now, you do have the Edge, so you're going to have one of the thinnest, lightest phones on them. But this doesn't have a lot of weight to it, so it's not going to add a lot of weight, but that's yet to be seen. This is military graded drop protection. Obviously, it has a neon strip around the back here. You got a polycarbonate back here, and as you can see, you can just see the dual layer protection, and you got nice little molded thermal polymer just protecting it, hugging your phone. And then you have the diamond shape, and then you have some other perforations here to brace for impact for your fall, so it won't crack your phone. But without further ado, let's go ahead and put it in. I like to insert it from the side or right here, and it is really easy to put on, and this is what it looks like. Ta-da! Now this goes very well with your Galaxy Watch Ultra, which got the ARM orange band. But let's talk about what I see initially when I open it up and put this on my phone. I see excellent lip protection on the 2 camera holes right here, so the bump is protected. It's really nice. Then you have these nice little guard bumps right here for that extra, grippiness right here on the 2 sides right there. You have your grip here, which is very, very sturdy. And then you have excellent just grip. Doesn't add any weight to it. So you're still getting a light phone that you can flip upside down. And then let's look at the buttons. Very clicky. Let's look at the volume button. Clicky. And it's very accurate. Precise cutouts. So you got your antenna here. USB-C, excellent. Speaker, excellent. You got the Poetic branding on the bottom right here. Excellent. You got excellent raised lip protection. All this for $16.95. It's a steal. Let's see if it has any issues wirelessly charging. So I got my Anchor here. I'm just gonna put it on there a little bit. And as you can see, wireless does work. I have my little module of my routine here, so it lets you know in yellow if it's charging. Let's see if it can reach this side. Now you gotta be a little bit smaller, but as you can see, it works. So this is the Poetic Neon case. no MagSafe, $16.95 on Amazon. All right, enough of that. The next one we're going to look at is a $20 Guardian case. This one is the clear background, so it's black and clear. And with all presentations of Poetic, you're going to get two different options. You're going to get the bezel without the screen protector, and then you're going to get a bezel with a built-in screen protector, and it's right here. Now, if you're familiar with my channel, I don't really like the built-in screen protector, so I usually opt for the non-screen protector. So what the first thing we're going to do is look at it. The second thing we're going to do is take off the screen protecting case and move this to the side. Now, a long time ago, before Poetic decided to include two different bezels, I used to take the built-in screen protector and punch it out and rock with it, and it worked just fine. So I believe they listened to the feedback and they decided to include two. So how thoughtful of them. For $20, excellent. So with this screen protector version, you do have some screen protector accessories. So you have some like wipes and all the other stuff as if you actually had like a screen protector, and it helps you with the fingerprint because you use fingerprints for your Galaxy phone. And then here's an installation guide for just general terms there. So we're gonna put that to the side because I think we know what we're doing. So with the Guardian, you're gonna get this bezel, and one of the first things you have to do is put the bezel on as such. I'm such a pro at these Poetic cases and reviewing them so often that it just comes natural. Now with the clear, you're gonna have an extra peel here, so you might want to pull that out before you put the case on. And then there's a film on the back here, so you can remove that. I'm just going to keep it in here for a cinematic effect. And then you also insert from the side as such. Then you go around the world, and then you go and make sure all the bumps are fitting in each slot. And as you can see, ta-da! This is the Guardian Black and Clear for $20. Now, as you can see, the first thing that pops out is the exposure of the back of your phone. Paid all this money for the phone, you definitely want to see what it looks like. This is the excellent. Let's talk about the camera bump. You still got a nice camera bump here. That's amazing. You have this nice grippy thermopolymer dual layer here. Now this is extra grippy on the outside bump. You have these little perforations here that gives you the grippiness that you need. Excellent cutouts at the top, excellent cutout on the bottom, but you have a nice little flap to protect it while you're not charging, so for extra protection. Speaker is exposed here, so got precise cutouts, and I expect no less than from Poetic. Let's look at the buttons, see if they're clicky. So on, off. Let's see the volume rocker. Works just like a charm, and you can feel it, and it's very responsive. Now, since you have the phone locked down with the frame, you're getting an excellent level of bump protection from falls with this one. And this is absolutely gorgeous. The only thing that's lacking is MagSafe. But let's see if this charges very well. And as you can see, the yellow sparkling around the entire phone, it works like a charm on any wireless charger that you have. But like I said before, the only thing is missing is MagSafe. And that just brings me to the next case that we're going to explore, is the Poetic Guardian with MagSafe. Now, when you have these cases, just make sure that you separate the frame from the bump, and then you remove the thermopolymer around it, because it can get a little tough. while you're switching cases. So just keep that in mind when you're doing that, and you will have no issues as such. So I have a secret to say. I've been using the MagSafe Poetic Guardian for a while, ever since I got the phone. So I can give you, life experience with it. But this is essentially the Guardian with a new MagSafe ring. This one is $26 on Amazon, or $24 on Amazon. And it does come with an extra frame, but I do the glassless frame. And you do exactly the same thing I just showed you. Put the frame on there. You rip all of the peels off of the back of the polycarbonate clear on the back here. And then you get to put it inside the thermopolymer bump here. And since I've been using it, it's been a little, more adaptable. So it's easy to put on. And then voila, there you go. This is with MagSafe. So as you can see, you still have excellent protection. You still have the exact same bump raises. Volume rocker works. You got the frame securing it. Now you have the addition of MagSafe. And as you can see, MagSafe works, no charm. This is what it looks like with about 70%. That was about 80%. Really, really, really nice. And you're getting all the drop protections. You're getting everything you can. All that in a bag of chips for $24.95. So what I like to do before I look at cases, I look at the reviews, and typically I would see, one or two comments on Amazon saying, this sucks or whatever. But for the 3 cases I reviewed today, all of them have an average of 4.8 or 5 stars. Like for instance, this one with the MagSafe, it has 4.8. The one with the Neon 1695, 5.0. And the one with no MagSafe, the Guardian, it has 10 reviews and it has 5 stars. So I'm gonna agree with them because all of these cases were very nice. I've had no issues with the MagSafe one. There hasn't been any degradation with the MagSafe ring here. I'm able to use it with any MagSafe product. Now, my only gripe, and this is probably not a Poetic issue, this is a Samsung issue. If you're going to include MagSafe or encourage MagSafe, you're gonna have to figure out a way to get the camera to be a little bit higher, because if you're going to put like a MagSafe wallet as such, and as you can see, it works with no exception, it's going to have a slight tilt because the camera bump is preventing it from being totally square and level. I mean, you have to scoot it in, but if you have like one of those MagSafe accessories in the car, you're going to have to move around this to get a precise cutout. I mean, even for, my desktop, I'll have to work around this bump. Now, it's the natural bump from the phone, but, Samsung has to address, maybe raising this a little bit higher. But there are companies like Spigen who have addressed it by adding kind of like a dip right here to make it more square, but that's just something of a minor complaint that Samsung may need to address, but I don't think it's Poetic's, problem to solve. So they can, but I'm not holding it against them. Anyway, so let me know what you think about these cases that range from $16.95 to $24.95. I think Poetic is one of the strongest companies out there, and you should definitely give them a try, at least the ones that I reviewed today. They do have some other ones, like they have a Neon with MagSafe, and it has like a stand, and because the ring comes out. But I didn't get that one because I have these. So do what you gotta do. Protect your Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Holler at me. This is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.